Hi! Welcome to our apartment!
Oh gosh, that's gotta work.
Cringy! Hello! We finally finished our apartment tour for you.
This is actually an interesting fact. The first video we ever shot was an apartment tour back when we came out to stay with Tatum for a week, and we came and visited. It's the first time I saw the apartment. It was empty. We had our old camera we were filming on.
Yeah, we really had no idea what we were about to get ourselves into.
So it's fun now because now we've been asked. It's a very requested video, and so we were like, oh, fun. We'll finish it. Tatum and I are very proud of this apartment.
We got to design this
We
from
got
scratch.
to sit down with designers and pick out every little single part of this apartment. This is very Tatum and Tyler for you because everything's on it.
We wanted to give a huge thank you to West Elm for partnering with us to design and decorate our apartment.
It worked really well with us. They understood what we wanted. They helped us pull everything together.
We will share all the links below.
Can't wait to show you guys. Let's do this.
Hi, Miss Tyler. Start us off.
Come on in. This is my bedroom.
Ooh.
We're gonna start here with this full-length mirror. Okay. You gotta check yourself out. You know what you look like, right? This little salt lamp I've had for a couple years. I love it. I love the earthy, cheesy stuff. This is my dresser. I have all of my pants and my swimsuits and my workout clothes in here. My TV, cute little accessories, sage, I don't want to talk about it. We're gonna come into my closet here. This is where I keep all of my bags and my backpacks and my purses. And then we have, these are all my workout clothes laid out for the week.
That's so cute. You're so organized.
And then all my clothes. This is where my hamper, lights, colors, darks. So I keep everything here. My shoes, and then that's it for my closet. I am very proud of this. I've kept this guy alive. He's real.
That's honestly impressive.
I water him once a week. This is my vanity. This is where I get ready. All my makeup's in here. All my hair stuff's in a drawer down there. This is my Touch Pro mirror. This is the mirror I get ready in. It's also a speaker,
Ooh,
actually. Then I have my laptop. These are crystals. To be quite honest with you, I couldn't tell you a thing about crystals, but I feel like I'm cooler and a better person with them. So I have them in my room. Me and my little sister have best friend turtles, so that's what that is. She has the same one in her room.
This is my turtle. Tyra have one too, my sister. My big sister. You probably saw a bit of one of these. That's we have Maxine.
This cute lamp. And then I wanted earthy, like an earthy room vibe. So we put this up there to give it a little bit more of that, and then that plant. And then my bed, I wanted very neutral, but pink. I love pink, but not too pink, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And then this fun little rug, which is just, nothing describes it better than fun, so that's that. Here is my nightstand. We have more crystals. I don't know what they do, but I like to pretend like they make me do cool things. And then these are just some pictures. I want to put family pictures in there, but I haven't gotten it. Then this is my jewelry holder. I've had this for years as well, but ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. It opens up and all my jewelry's in there. Nice and organized. And lock it up so Tatum can't take any of it. I would never in there. Up next is the bathroom. This is what connects mine and Tatum's room. Right here is this little hook that we installed ourselves, and this holds our robe. Tatum's robe and my robe.
How cute.
And then we have our shower. Here we have a nice little organizer. For our guests. This is mine, and then this is Tatum's, and it's a little tub and shower.
Where Tyler takes all of her long time.
I take like 3 baths a day, actually. That's like not an exaggeration. Cute little basket. We keep, you know, fun items in there.
Yeah.
Positive affirmations when you wash your face in the morning. And these are our drawers. We just have hair stuff in there, and then towels, and then a cute painting. That's our bathroom.
I'm taking over. Let's go to my room. I have a lot of purses, so I have this hanging rack where I hang like all of my bigger bags. I tried to keep my room very clean and natural and like white. So I have like a lot of white pieces and then just a little bit of wood and the gray. I have this really cute rug that ties in the gray and the white, which I really love. And if you come over here, this is my dresser. I'm gonna get like 3 more books and like hopefully a cute little flower here, but I keep like my perfumes. I need 3 more pictures of my family, but I try and remember in my cute fam. Oh my goodness, more bags. These ones are like bigger bags though that I don't use every day, like a lot of backpacks. Polaroid. I literally got for like $15 on Amazon. It keeps all of my necklaces nice and clean and organized. I needed more storage space. Originally all my shoes were here, but I just, heaven help us all. So I got these little guys. That's my closet. Then we have what is one of my favorite things. I've had this vinyl record since I was in high school. How fun! Okay, barf, that was gross. I have this lamp, which I love this lamp because it has this in the back. How cute. So then I can charge my phone at night and not have to plug it anywhere. I get these flat print pictures from Costco. They're super cheap. Put like my watch in here and like a hair tie, some headphones, a cute little bracelet from my friend. This light is fun. It turns up and down. I'm gonna be honest, I think I've used it once. Thought it was good when I used it. Me and Tyla share this computer from when we're editing. It's not usually here, but it is right now. This is one of my favorite things of my apartment, my room. It's a leather chair, and it's white leather. So I feel very fancy about it. Hey, this is my junk drawer, so I'm not gonna go in there. This is where I keep the rest of my sweatshirts, because I clearly like sweatshirts. And this is a printer that I feel very adult about, because I bought it myself, and I print stuff out of it. That's my room. On to the living room.
Okay, we'll start here. TV table. This is the TV where we watch all the Grey's Anatomy, right, Tatum?
Yes, I love me some Grace.
Yes. Fun little organizing here. Candle, you'll see a lot of those in our apartment. We like candles. Then here we have a rug, keep it neutral. This is a fun little coffee table that we found from West Elm. Again, all this is West Elm. Another candle, some flowers, and then I feel like we get made fun of for this by anyone who comes over because it's just like there, but I think it's cute. We have multiple Lauren Conrad books because I love Lauren Conrad.
But then also just some fun ones, which you can get these on like TJ Maxx and Amazon.
Yeah, you can get these like just fun. That's like the one over there is Dior and Vanity Fair. Yeah. To the pink chair. Let's just take a second on this because Tatum and I wanted a pink chair. Like the first thing we discussed when we were gonna be roommates was we wanted like a pink accent chair. And we did it, we made it happen. It looks like the Pixar guy.
Yeah, we had
like
to have
a giant Pixar guy. It's a fun light. Little side table, we have also kept that plant alive. More Lauren Conrad books, and another candle. Our moms are both extremely well designer interior people, so they helped a lot with this.
Shout out to you, mamas.
Yeah. So they helped us pick out this pillow set. This is my favorite, I think.
Oh, it's so fun to cuddle with.
It is. And then we added a little throw blanket over here, which I'll hold it up, but Bonnet Pink is our accent for sure. So you'll see that as like bits and pieces around pink and gold and neutral.
So this is our kitchen. This is one of my favorite pieces in the house. It's a little bookshelf, adds a lot of character. Don't mind the eyesore up there. Freak, eyesore! Don't mind it up there. It was an air freshener, but we
don't fill it anymore, so it doesn't even have anything in it because we light so many candles. And we could have put it behind the big tree, but it was gonna kill the tree, but it killed the tree anyways.
What are these cute pictures? It's just a picture wall. No, they're not of any relevance to us, but they're cute. Then we have our salt and pepper here if you're getting a little spicy with your food. A fake plant, because most plants we can't keep alive. This table is small, but it has an expandable piece in the center, so if we have like a lot of friends over, we can fit a couple more people. And we have these fun leather chairs. We just got this. It's fake. Tyla had a plant here. We were really excited about it. We named it Fern. We were gonna keep it alive. It's gonna be like our thing. We came home from a trip and it was dead. Slowly, one or two would fall. Like, oh, what are we gonna do? We came home. It was shot. We said like, sayonara. Keep like all our chips and our crackers in there. The fridge. Ooh, we keep one side mine, one side Tyla's. The freezer, lots of Halo Top in there. Oven. Anytime we cook anything, the fire alarm goes off because we're really good at cooking.
6.5 hours later.
I'm making a quesadilla! That's all I want! So I have to go turn off, should I disable it?
We were not kidding about this stupid fire alarm. She's making a quesadilla! A toaster. You guys know what all these things are. Tyla got this for us. Well, Tyla's mom, I think, got this for us. How cute. We put like some peppermint tea at night. It steams.
I do my warm lemon water in there.
So cute. This is just storage plates. Very exciting. So, can't ever go wrong with paper towels. Oh, and we have a speaker so that we can blast music around the entire house. with
Our
each
neighbors hate us.
Probably.
Everything as long as it's free. I want your love. Love, love, love. I want your love.
Okay, Tyler, walk us out of
To the
here.
end.
Oof.
The last two cabinets or closets.
Yeah.
Okay, this is all of our shopping grocery bags. And then you come up here, we have,
So much luggage.
well, these are mine, those are hers, and then we have just two different kinds of bleach. And we
Yeah.
have a little rack of cleaning supplies here. We keep shoes here, and then these are our towels. We put all our towels, and then Tatum has some coats in here, and then an iron board. Here is so exciting.
Dun 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 dun!
Our washer and dryer. And then last but not least,
I think this is a great addition to our house.
yeah, I like it. These are my keys, the Tatum's keys, and that is the end of our video, you guys.
Tatum and
Tyler.
Okay, let's go back. Let's do that. I'll go Tatum and you go back. Tatum
And Tyler.
take 4.
Lights, camera.
Action.